I was wrong about the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined. I was able to get these from a restock from Dick's Sporting Goods. Shout out to Sneaker Twitter. They went ahead and tweeted it out, and this was the mystery shoe. There was like a huge question mark over the sneaker. We weren't sure what it was. It was like a 10 a.m. release. I woke up at like 9:30 just randomly, went on my phone, was like, all right, well, I'll stay awake. They do come with the extra packaging and everything. Very nice to see. The box label does read, let's see, Air Jordan 5 Retro OG Black, White, Metallic, Silver. This is a size 11, my personal size. Will I be keeping these? We'll talk about it, but I want to say this. I was wrong about this shoe. Now, I want to give you guys a giveaway if you guys want. If you guys can get this video, more than 300 people are going to subscribe. So if you guys can hit that subscribe button, let's get to 300 subscribers just from this video alone, and I'll do a $500 cash giveaway. So if you guys want me to give away $500 in cash, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and you can DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. I'll have it linked down below. You can DM me proof that you guys subscribed as well. 300 subscribers, YouTube will show me how many subscribers this video gets. Right now we are at 83.2. So if we can get to 83.6, well 83.5, excuse me, from this video, we'll go ahead and run a $500 cash giveaway. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. Let me know what you would do with the $500. Now let's get into why I was wrong about the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined. Now, first off, resale prices. I thought that these were going to drop. I'll be honest with you, they haven't. They really haven't. This shoe has been around $300, $320 depending on size. After fees and everything, you're looking at like $370, $380, some sizes potentially even $400 for this sneaker right here. They're pricey. They're up there. Retail was $210. Luckily, I was able to hit on this restock, and I always liked Metallic 5, I'll be honest. It is a sneaker that I did have back in 2016. I wore it a few times, but it's not like one of my favorite up there Jordans, if that makes sense. I would say it's still top 20, but is it top 10? Probably not. So as far as OGs, that is. Just sneakers in general, no. It wouldn't be even in the top 20, 25. So I do like them a lot. Will I keep them? I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but they do come with the white laces. You do have the black laces attached, and you do have all the piping going on in that white. And then the one thing I'm not too crazy about, there's two things. First is this is 3M, the Nike Air, but it's not stitched in. The next thing is I wish we got the 23 on the side. We are getting the Fire Red 5s later this year, I believe, with the 23 on the side. So I'm excited for that one. That's definitely going to be a must for me. Yeah, so with that being said, since I'll be buying those, I might just keep these, put them on feet. It is a clean, wearable sneaker, I'll be honest. I just didn't want to spend money on them, to be honest, at the time when they dropped. And I was like, you know what? I feel like they're going to drop. It's an Air Jordan 5, but it just hasn't. Right? I guess 5s are becoming more hyped in some way, shape, or fashion, as well as the Reimagined treatment. We all know the Reimagined treatment is either a hit or it's a miss. There's really no in between. So definitely they did a good job. I wish those two things, I wish this was stitched, and I wish they had the 23 on the side. Like Michael Jordan wore it. Other than that, it's still a good looking shoe. The white laces, I'm not sure if I do wear them, if I'll keep the white laces in, or I might just go with the black laces. I kind of prefer the black laces, to be honest with you, but I do understand why they did this. This is how Michael wore it, so I do understand that at the same time. You do have a red inside with the white Nike Air. Is it a good time to buy them? Yeah, it's time. If you really want the brand new pair, they're not really going to drop much lower. They're not. I thought they would have. I thought they would have went to 250, 260, maybe 270, 280 at the most. But if you can get them for that price, jump on it. It's a good deal. But yeah, you'll easily be spending over $300. Easily. $320 minimum for this shoe at this point. So if you do bigger sizes of a little bit more money, if you do want them, I would suggest go ahead and just say, bite the bullet, pay that resale if you want to. Will they skyrocket in price? I don't see that happening. So I don't see them being a $500 sneaker. Will they touch $350, $400, $450? Maybe, but I don't think they'll hit $500, $600. I think that'd be outrageous. So yeah, it sucks to say that if you want them, you have to bite the bullet and pay that resale, because restocks are very limited, very scarce, and they're gone extremely quick. And I'm ecstatic I was able to even hit from Dick's Sporting Goods on a restock. So if you guys want to know more about restocks, go on Twitter, and then sneaker Twitter, and then just follow them, turn on notifications, as well as J23 app. None of this is sponsored. These are just people that I just follow and use it for. J23 app, Soul Links. Those are like the major ones I can think of right now. So make sure you guys, give those restock places on Twitter a chance. Turn on notifications. I'll tell you right now, it does get annoying. You're going to get a bunch of notifications that you're not going to care about, but when it hits, it hits. I've made a lot of money from it because of just restocks, right? I've also gotten shoes for retail that I didn't think I would after the release, and next thing you know, boom. So it's a hit. When it's a hit, it's a miss a lot of the times, but I do recommend keeping it on. I keep them on. Yeah, my phone gets blown up with it all day long, but notifications are on. So in case there's restocks that I'm able to actually go for, I go for it if I really want the shoe. So boom. It's worth it sometimes, and it paid off. Again, $210 retail price. Can't go wrong with that. I'll pay it. So will I be keeping them? I'm thinking about it. I'll be honest with you, it is an OG. So I decided for my collection, just going to throw this out there, I'm going to wind up keeping OG Jordans that basically Michael wore, or pretty much that, as well as collabs here and there, and that's about it. I'm not going to wind up keeping a bunch of everything anymore, and I have that. I'm not going to do it. I want to be more selective this year and just going forward with my sneaker collection. A bunch of it's in the closet. I'm going to take it out and stuff. So yeah, I definitely want to just go ahead and say that I'm going to be more selective, and I recommend you be more selective as well, because there's too many shoes. It's the truth. There's too many releases. It's just way too much sometimes, and when you move, it sucks. So yeah, if you've ever moved with a collection, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comment section. Did you pick up a pair? Are they a cop? Are they a drop for you? Let me know down below. But make sure you guys let me know if you guys want that $500 cash giveaway. 300 subscribers from this video, it'll tell me. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Of course, more than 300 people are going to watch this video. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below what you would do with the $500. DM me on Instagram. It'll be linked down below, DannyMoore2369, and just send me proof that you guys subscribed. 300 subscribers from this video will run the $500 cash giveaway, where you guys can do whatever you want with the cash. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined. I think it's a good shoe overall and very wearable, and their bottoms are going to get yellow over time, but other than that, it'll be a good held up shoe. It does remind me a lot of the Bread 4s with this new buck, so got to be careful of that, don't get it wet. Other than that, it's a great pair of shoes, and I'm ecstatic that I was able to hit for retail. Let me know if you guys hit for retail. Let me know if you guys have to bite the bullet and pay that resale price. What are you trying to pay for a pair? I know paying over 300 bucks for them is gonna suck, but at this point, it is what it is. Sometimes it just is what it is. Just pass out on some other releases. If you truly want these, pass out some other stuff and get what you truly want. That's the way I look at it. You don't need everything. Where would you put it all? So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these down below. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys let me know if you guys want that $500 cash giveaway. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. The Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined is fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.